Hi everyone! Today we're diving into an important topic, digital accessibility. This video will guide you through essential concepts and policies you need to know to comply with Washington State contractor accessibility requirements. Let's get started. First, let's define digital accessibility. Digital accessibility ensures that all users, regardless of their abilities or disabilities, can access and interact with digital content effectively. This includes websites, mobile apps, documents, and other digital platforms. You may be wondering why accessibility is necessary and if it has any other benefits for your business. There's a compelling business case with both tangible and intangible benefits. Accessibility drives innovation. Some features often solve unanticipated problems. Accessible design provides benefits to people with and without disabilities. It improves usability and delivers a more intuitive user experience. Accessibility extends market reach. Over 1 billion people, 15% of the world's population, are disabled with the spending power of almost $7 trillion globally. Accessibility enhances your brand. Diversity, equity, and inclusion efforts are important to business success. A commitment to accessibility shows that your business has a sense of responsibility and acts on the diverse needs of stakeholders. Accessibility minimizes legal risk. There are laws and policies that require accessibility, strengthening the rights of people with disabilities to participate in online digital information and services. Including accessibility in your business plan protects your assets and your reputation. One of the key laws related to accessibility in the United States is Section 508 of the Rehabilitation Act. This law requires federal agencies to make their electronic and information technology accessible to people with disabilities. So if you're working on a project for a government agency, Section 508 compliance is a must. Another important policy to be aware of is the Washington State Accessibility Policy 188. This policy outlines the specific requirements and standards that organizations need to follow to ensure their digital content is accessible. It often incorporates guidelines from Sections 508 and WCAG, which we'll discuss next. The Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, or WCAG, are a set of guidelines designed to make web content more accessible to people with disabilities. WCAG is divided into 3 levels of conformance: A, AA, and AAA, with AA being the level most commonly required for compliance. These guidelines are recognized internationally and serve as the foundation for many accessibility policies. When designing accessible digital content, the POUR, P-O-U-R, principles are crucial. Perceivable. Information and user interface components must be presentable to users in ways they can perceive. Operable. Users must be able to operate the interface. Understandable. The information and operation of the interface must be understandable. Robust. Content must be robust enough to work with current and future technologies. That wraps up our first video. I hope this helped you understand some of the essential aspects of digital accessibility. We'll cover these more in future modules and videos. Remember, digital accessibility benefits everyone.